Are you guys fighting again?
Huh?
Are you guys fighting again?
No, it's because she wants to tell us something what she keeps on going under.
Alyssa's swimming. She likes to swim.
Okay. Take a video of me. Yay!
You guys are weirdos.
What?
Be careful, Yana.
What did you say?
I said you're a weirdo.
You're taking a video?
No. Why? You want me to take a video of you?
Yeah.
Show me how you swim.
Who?
You.
I only see what is floating.
Look at how Alyssa swims and just copy her. You have to learn how to swim.
I can't. Look, if I try to look down. Look.
Watch out, Yana. Don't throw that outside, Yana, because then you're not going to get it back in.
I got some water in my nose.
You need to learn how to swim, girlfriend.
I got water terribly in my nose.
What's your mom's phone number?
Mine?
Yeah.
323-702-2122.
21 what?
7021228.
Oh.
Do you have that one?
Yep.
Yep or no?
Yes, I said.
I can't hear it because I have water in my ears too.
Ay, Dios mío.
I'm a water kind of girl.
Midget. Little midget. What are you doing?
You taking a video?
Say hi, Alyssa. Alyssa, say hi. Alyssa.
Say hi.
Say hi.